Hello guys. Okay, so today we're going to be solving quadratic equation, and after that we will be placing the quadratic equation in a programming language, which is C programming language, in order to understand how we can use programming in order to get math solutions. Okay, let's start with this simple problem. We have x squared plus 5x plus 4. This is a quadratic equation. For example, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So you have the quadratic equation that says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So from this equation we say x, this is b, we substitute 5 for b, plus or minus, again we substitute for b, 4 we substitute for a, which is 1, and c, which is 4, substitute for c, all over 2 times 1, which is a. So from this we got x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus. If you squared 5 you get 25. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 will give you 16. So 25 minus 16, you have 9. You have 9. So divided by 2, our denominator. So if you find the square root of 9, you will have 3. And normally quadratic usually have like 2 answers. So if you minus 5 minus 2, you have minus 8, divided by 2, you have minus 4.0. Again, you come back here and say minus 5 plus 3, you will have minus 2, divided by the denominator, which is 2, you will have minus 1. Use C language in order to solve our quadratic problem. So let us see. Okay, I'm using double function. 1, 2, A, B, C, and that's L. Okay. Okay, and me. Okay. So sconf %lf and lf. So A, B, and C. So I'm using L as the values under the root to represent the value under the root. So the value, the root is b squared minus 4ac. So minus 4 times a times c. Okay. So now we can have complex number if there is a negative number obtained under the root. So we will create a condition for that. We're saying if our value under the root is less than 0, what are we going to do? We print complex. So we'll print complex. Okay. Now the next condition is for real numbers. So we say else for real numbers. We enter our roots. So we know we usually have this equation minus b plus or minus 2 ways. So we say plus first, sqrt, which is for square root, which is now L divided by 2 times A. Let's place this in. Okay. So copy and paste this here and change this to 2 and change this to minus, because we have plus or minus. And the next thing, I'll print my answers. So percent dot, I want 1 decimal place, so I'll say dot 1. Okay, root 1 and root 2. Okay, so return 0, and yes, we should have our answers. Okay, so from our previous problem we solved, we had 1 to be A, we have 5 to be B, and we have 4 to be C. So with this we have -1 and -4. So this is our solution, guys.